So we take the trap, make sure that this is facing towards us. Make sure that it's facing towards us. And put it in there. Then take these out. Make sure that they're vertical. Put them in all the way towards the back or towards us. Well, actually, we put it in the back first. Face it towards us, pull it back, then push it down. Okay, do the same thing with these. Oh, that's okay. Okay, these look all the same, so I don't think there's any issue with getting them wrong. Okay. No matter how you try to unpack it, it's going to rip in the ways that you don't want it to. Lastly, this one. It's kind of bent. Oh, the other ones are like, what? Oh, this one is kind of bent towards this way. This one's kind of bent towards this way. And these ones are vertical. I wonder if that's on purpose. It probably is. So we'll just rearrange these. Okay, and then this one is probably like this. I wonder what the thought process is behind that. Maybe it makes it just a tiny bit easier. Anyway, that's the filters installed. Huh, pretty wicked. Okay, everything seems to be working. My dad went outside and he checked that the flap was blowing out, like it was going out. It's kind of hard to tell when you put your hand there. It doesn't feel like anything is being sucked in. But we're going to try to light this candle and see if the smoke gets sucked in. Can't really tell. Oh yeah, you can see under the light easily. What about... Interesting. Not as impactful as I thought it was going to be, but we'll have to see what happens when we, cook some burgers. That's when we make a lot of smoke, and hopefully that. I mean, this is a pretty new range. The one that we had before was like 40 years, like at least 25 years old. So this has to be an upgrade in every single way. So that's it for this video. Oh, let me just take off this tape. Don't forget to take off the tape off the lights my mom mentioned just now. But that's it for this video. This is a bit of an update on how we installed the our new VIKIO 42-inch hood range. Go check out my previous videos on this. I did a bit of a feature demonstration and an unboxing. I already demonstrated the features in that video, so go check that out if you really want to see how powerful it is. In that video, it seemed really powerful. Like the fans were really powerful. So I'm assuming that they're still going to be as powerful here. But that's it for now. I'm Aiman. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. I'll get videos on EyeOnAiman, especially the videos on this hood range or this hood. And I'll see you there. And also, if we do any videos on this kitchen renovation that we're doing right now. This is for my mom. Go check those out as well. And if you're interested in buying this hood, we'll link it down in the description down below. But for now, I'm Aiman, and signing out. Peace.